Step-by-step guide to connect your air purifier to Wi-Fi. Turn on the purifier, press the power button on your purifier to turn it on. Activate Wi-Fi mode, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the purifier for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator light starts blinking. Download the SmartLife app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for SmartLife. Download and install the app on your phone. Open the app and add device. Open the SmartLife app and create an account if needed. In the app, tap on the plus sign, add device icon, and select Air Purifier from the list of devices. Connect to Wi-Fi, enter your home Wi-Fi credentials, ensure it's a 2.4 GHz network, and connect to the purifier. Confirmation. Wait for the purifier's Wi-Fi indicator light to stop blinking and remain solid. This means the connection is successful. Troubleshooting tips, if needed. Ensure your Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz. Double-check that your Wi-Fi password is correct. Now that your air purifier is successfully connected to Wi-Fi, you can control it from anywhere using the SmartLife app. Let's see how. In the app, you'll find the option for fan speed. You can easily increase or decrease the speed according to your comfort. If you want the purifier to turn off automatically after some time, you can use the timer feature in the app to schedule it. You can remotely switch your purifier on or off with a simple tap. Keep an eye on the air quality in your space by checking the real-time updates in the app. With the SmartLife app, managing your air purifier is now more convenient than ever, no matter where you are.